Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with an illuminated star in the grille, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. Black MB-Tex interior with a black wood trim, panorama sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, advanced parking assistance package with Parktronic surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 25,076 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.